Hey class, so we are going to get started on what you are going to be doing today. Today is going to be Thursday, November 21st. We are first going to go into Google Classroom. So right here, go into Google Classroom. My screen's going to look a little bit differently than yours. So first you need to pick my class, okay? So pick Miss Alatini's class. I'm going to use period 1 as an example. So next we're going to go into period 1. After, you are going to go up into classwork. So right here, we are going to click on that. And in classwork, you are going to see a topic that says density, and you are going to click below that. Once you click below it, there's going to be an activity right here. So you are going to see the activity, and you can press density 1.05. If you get this screen, remember today we talked about having to allow the screen. So you're going to click on here and you are going to press allow. Don't forget to press allow, okay? If you don't press allow, it will not work. So we are going to press allow. Okay, so now we are in our simulation. So once you get into your simulation, you are going to have to use your yellow paper. So this is the yellow paper that we are working on today. Okay, it looks just like this. And we are going to start filling out the paper as we do it. So I'm going to pull it up. The first one right here in this corner, it says material. So you're going to have to look for your material right here. You can change this to change your material. You are going to be working with wood, aluminum, ice, brick, styrofoam, and my block. So the first one we are going to do, we're going to do it together. It's going to be wood. So make sure you are in wood. Next, it says that you have your mass. It says that you have your mass of 2.0 and your volume is 5.0 liters. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to change it. 2.0 kilograms, 5.0 liters. I'm going to type in 2.00 volume, 5.0, press enter, and it's going to give me my block. First, though, I need to take my block out of the water. Okay. The next one says observations. Where it says observations, you're going to see, you're going to put the block back into the water. Does it float or does it sink? So we see right here it floats. So we are going to write down, we observe that the substance floats in water. Okay. Next, it says we are going to show our work in order to find our density. So first, before we can show our work, we have our mass, but we don't know our volume. So we need to check our volume. So what I'm going to do is take out my block. It's going to be sitting outside. This is my before. So remember, in order for us to find volume, we take our initial and then we have a final. Remember, we take our final minus initial. If you don't remember, look into your journal. It has it right there on that paper. So my initial is 100. My final is 102.0. So I'm going to write down volume equals 102.0 minus 100 at 100. So that's going to give me 2 liters. Okay. Oh, where is it? Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so 102 minus 100 equals 2 liters. That's only my volume. Now, remember, density is equal to mass divided by volume. So I'm going to write that down. So it's equal to 2.0 kilograms divided by 2 liters, which gives me 2 divided by 2, 1 kilogram per liter. Okay, so that's my first one. Now I'm going to move down to, so after you're finished with that, you have wood, aluminum, ice, brick, styrofoam. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the styrofoam one. So right here is styrofoam. Now this one has a mass of 3, so first we need to change our material. We're going to go to styrofoam. We are going to change it to 3.00 kilograms. And then our volume is 20.0 as well. Oops, what happened? 3.0. Okay. So first things first, we need to put it into the water. Oops. Now in the water we can see it goes up, so it floats. So I'm going to write, we observe that the substance floats in water. Again, I'm going to calculate my density, so I have to take my volume equals, so it's already in the water, so that's my after. So it's 103.0 minus 100, which is equal to 3 liters. Now again, my mass is going to be, or my density is going to be mass divided by volume, which is equal to 3 kilograms divided by 3 liters. And what does that give me? 1 kilogram per liter again. Okay? Next, you are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That says my block. So in order for you to get to my block, what you need to do, where it says my block, oops, you are going to, where it says my block, you are going to change your material again. So right here at the top, it has my block. So I'm going to go in, select that, and it's going to change my block now. So for this one, you have to change the mass and the volume again, and then put it back into the water. So the first, my block is 2 kilograms, 2.0, and my volume is 5.0 liters. Okay, and that's the new one it gives me. So I check, I put it in, and it floats. Okay, so it floats. So we are going to write the same thing, do the same work. Okay, you're going to do all of that and complete this page and this page and read the questions. This table right here is going to help you answer question number 4. Okay. There's also a backside. Do not forget to do the backside. So now this one is part 2, mystery blocks. In order for you to do mystery blocks, you're going to have to change the settings one more time. Move this out of the way. And your mystery blocks are over here. So I'm going to, okay, so you can see mystery block right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on mystery block. And now it gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different blocks. On the back part, you have 5 different objects that you need to find the mass, volume, and density. Okay? So your mass, volume, and density. So first what I'm going to do is A. First thing I need to do, it says mass. I need a mass. Before I was given the mass, but now I'm not. So I'm going to take A, and I'm going, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm going to take A, and I'm going to put it on the scale. Once I put it on the scale, you can see I get 65.14 kilograms. So I'm going to write down 65.14 kilograms. Okay. Next, I'm going to put it into the water and I'm going to find my volume. In order to find the volume, again, I have to take the initial. So my initial is 100 liters. And now I have my final. So my final is 103.38. So I'm going to put 103.38 minus 100 equals, okay, equals 3.38. And now it asks me density. So now I have to take my density. Density is equal to D equals M divided by V equals 65.14 divided by 3.38 equals, okay, I need a calculator for this now. 65.14 divided by 3.38 equals 19 point, can you see that? 19.27. Does it sink or float? So it goes down. It floats. Next, on the bottom. On the bottom, you will see right here. So since it's a mystery, we don't know what it's made out of, which means that we need to use our material and density diagram. So our density was 19.27, which means we're going to match up which one is the closest to 19.27, and it's gold. Okay, you see that the density of gold is 19.3. If we round, your density of block A is 19.3 as well. So that means that your object A is made from gold. So I'm gonna write in gold. Oops. So now what you are going to do is you're going to play around. You're going to take out A. Oops, where did A go? Oh, there it is. And you are going to do B, put it on the scale, put it in the water. Does it sink or float? Okay, find the density and then find the material. So number one, take your object, put it on the scale like this. Take the object, put it on the scale. Number two, write down your observations. Number two, take your object, put it in the water. Sink or float. Now we take the volume. Remember, it's this number minus 100. After, then we find our density. Once we find our density, then we are able to go in and look at our chart, see which one it matches, and then write down what it is made out of. Okay, and that's pretty much it. That's all you're doing today. If you don't finish today, you are going to use this and do it tomorrow. It is due tomorrow after or before class ends, but you are going to have to do this and this paper. So this is also for tomorrow. So this is Friday. This is Friday's assignment. You don't finish this, this becomes your homework. Okay, it's due for 100 points. So if you finish this quickly, then you can get to this paper. Okay, but everyone have a great Thanksgiving. I will see you guys when we get back on Monday, December 2nd. So have a great time. Bye. Behave, please. Be on your best behavior. Compórtense, por favor. Okay, bye, y'all.